Previous videos, I had shared MCQs from the sample paper issued by NTS for BS Nursing admissions. In this video, I am going to share MCQs from chemistry's portion. So question number 11, first question of chemistry. The rate of chemical reaction is, options are A. Determined from a balanced chemical equation. B. The change in the concentration of products and reactants in a certain amount of time. C. Not possible to determine experimentally. D. Expressed in units of time. And the correct option is B. The rate of chemical reaction is the change in concentration of products and reactants in a certain amount of time. Question number 12. In neutralization, A. The base is neutralized. B. The acid is neutralized. C. A salt is formed. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. In a neutralization, the base is neutralized, the acid is neutralized, and a salt is formed. Now comes question number 13. An alkane with 16 carbons has a molecular formula of A. C16H16, B. C16H34, C. C16H8, D. C16H32. And the correct option is D. C16H32. Now comes question number 14. Camphor is an organic compound related to A. Carbohydrates, B. Steroids, C. Terpene, D. Vitamin. And the correct option is C. Terpene. Camphor is an organic compound related to terpene. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel.